Hey everybody, thank you and well for stopping by my channel today. I've got my polychromos color pencils out and a piece of artwork that I recently made that I really liked, but my family was like, we can't tell they're trees. So I'm gonna go in and carefully add some trunks here. Sometimes we make pieces. I really love the texture here and the colors. I love that part of it. It's supposed to be like on a hill. With the sky in the back, and so I'm gonna go try and make some trunks here. So I've got just my black polychromos Faber-Castell pencils, and just gonna try to make some trunks to let people know that these are trees. Sometimes we have a vision in our head and it doesn't quite come out. So I guess this is a video on how to fix your artwork. Now I'm going to add some shading on there, some light hitting, because we've got the sun kind of coming down here. But first I'm going to try to make some branches weaving in and out of what's already here, because if I just stick branches on here, then I'd have to paint on top of it again. So I guess to keep from having to do that, I'm going to kind of mimic the colors in here. I'm making it dark because it's very dark. It's always kind of scary when you think you're done with something and then you're not. I see some colors that are naturally kind of going out here, so I'm going to kind of follow those instincts. You can see that on camera. So we've got quite a few tree branches coming in here. So some smaller ones down the way. Okay. Now to get our base going here, we're going to get a dark purple. Let's see, what's this one? Oh, it's indigo. That might work. I need a scrap piece of watercolor paper here. Yeah, that might work. Just to kind of have little tufts of grass coming at the bottom. Just kind of ground our trees to the hill. I didn't sign it, so I kind of knew I wasn't done with it, but you know, sometimes you just don't know what it is you're missing. So I like to put it up on my mantle. It's got to dry anyway, and it gives me a chance to kind of look at it. And I'm going to get my white out here to kind of look at it and get an idea of what it might be missing before I call it done. So again, just getting that light, trying to find all the branches that I just drew, and trying to give a little bit of something there. And then this darker bit in here can be like inside the forest, you know, that we can't quite see. Like what happened here. Little bits of, it's like a neon pink, vermilion red, which is one of my favorite colors. Or vermilion, however you say that. And then little bits of yellow, and then the rest are like blues and purples. And so I did it on watercolor paper this time. I don't know why, I just grabbed it and started painting, but we're gonna go put that back on the mantle and look at it. All right, thanks guys for joining me through that little funny little ad lib fix up your painting moment. But just in case, just wanted to encourage you guys, if you've ever done that, if you've ever painted something and think, didn't quite, it was missing something, don't be afraid to go back in and do it. It is a little bit terrifying, but you know, once you start, just let it do its thing and just be intuitive about it. But hopefully that helps. Anyway, all right, thanks guys for joining me today. Thanks so much. Why don't you click down the links below and check those out. If you give a thumbs up, that would be great. Thanks and have a great day.